Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will create some CAD blocks. So let's start by creating a new drawing. Usually, when you are creating a 2D furniture layout, you must represent some parts of washroom, which are usually called as washroom accessories. That include washroom WC, bathtubs, or even washroom sinks. So let's create a bathtub. It is a simple rectangle. We will add a radius in command of fillet, and then we will select the left corner. By pressing the space bar, we activate the previous command again and use the right corner. Now let's change the radius and do the same towards the bottom two corners. Let's do the same. Now we will create a circle. Let's take the middle, go to an approximate distance and create a circle of 0.025 radius. In next step, let's offset it to the same value again, like this. Now we can use a plus sign right in the middle of circle, like this. This geometry is enough. However, you can add up different details, like you can do an offset at a specific distance, like this, to get a different and unique representation. You can add some pockets or showers. It is all depending upon you and your project. So this was all about this session where we made a CAD block of a bathtub that could be used to represent 2D layout of a bath. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.